Welcome back to It's New. Greg's pretty calm today, but Morty seems way too relaxed. I don't know.
That's not a good thing.
Yes. Based on what Greg wore yesterday, I figured I could wear whatever I want today.
What the fuck? Bathrobe. I just know this.
I knew that is not a bathrobe. That is a gown of a prophet.
Amazing. Oh gosh.
Like some type of cloak wannabe or something. Very nice. Okay. Do you usually wear a bathrobe around the house?
No. My wife got me for my birthday last year. It's really comfortable though. It's so really hot in here right now.
I can see Greg walking around in some type of silk robe.
I don't know, a silk robe.
You're imagining.
Leopard pattern or something.
I have to start smoking cigars.
Anyway, Greg, what do we got for? All right, so Morty's going first. Morty, what do you got for us?
Oh, like John Stockton, ChatGPT is there for the shopping assist.
Okay, good one. I haven't got that one. Greg, what do you got?
I don't mean to hijack the situation here, but are Google Ads account hijacks on the rise?
Anu?
Google Ads is allowing you to auto link your YouTube channels.
And Google Post is getting into scheduling. All right, whenever you're ready, Morty.
Yeah, so ChatGPT announced the shopping research assistant. So basically, if you're searching for, I don't know, a TV, it'll help you ask clarifying questions like, do you like watching TV before you buy the TV? Do you need a new TV? No, like actual helpful questions.
Did it ask you, like, do you watch TV wearing a robe or no? It's
important. A silk sand robe, a bathrobe. Perhaps you like wearing a vest sponsored by Southwest. So that's really interesting. At the same time, over in Google land, Sanjay Patel spotted a test, the what to know feature, which was in AI mode, showing up on the right-hand panel when you click on a product. So you click on in this case, a pillow, and it's telling you what to know. It's cotton. It has.
He always has screenshots of cushions and pillows and stuff. He must work in that space. But yeah, so that feature was in AI mode only. Now it's in normal search. It probably wasn't normal search. We just probably didn't see it, but whatever. I don't know.
I think this is cool with those little cards, especially because when you say no, you can give it like additional context to it, being like, "Oh, this I don't like the look of it," or whatever. The price is too high. This is cool.
They are competing big time. Google and OpenAI in the shopping space, big time. So I don't know, but it is cool news. So we'll see what happens there.
Right. If you don't like online shopping, whatever.
You don't like online shopping?
I don't like shopping.
I don't like shopping at all.
You like in-person shopping?
No, I just don't like shopping.
Well, which one's worse?
How annoying are the people in the store?
What'd you say?
How annoying are the people in the store?
They're just people.
Like when you come in and they say like, "Hi, welcome," and then you feel like, great, now I have to talk and say hi back.
All right, let's say the store is full of U's. Just a million U's in the store.
Oh no, I'm out of there. I want to go there 100 feet.
So online shopping is pretty awesome.
Online shopping is way better, but it's funny. There was this video that compared like, what if in-person shopping was like online shopping? Ever see that thing? And it was like, when you walk into a store, all right, can I please have your email address, your social security number, your before you actually ask for like any information about the shop, like what you're looking for. I need all this information about you, and so forth. But whatever. Talking about getting information from people, Google's really having a hard time holding on to their accounts, I think.
Yeah, so this was spotted by, or at least there was an incident with Craig Salko on LinkedIn saying his entire company's Google MCC was hijacked at 12:30 in the morning. He also said he had two-factor on his account. He said neither him or his team can access any of the accounts. They've got emails from unknown administrators. They linked their own MCC to many of our accounts. That's all we know. And so then there was another attempt that was done to Alex Savinsky saying that it looks like it came from Google. It was an accept invitation to access the account. And if you hit the accept, I've seen this before live, it'll take you to something that looks very, very googly. And if you put your account information in, that's what I'm assuming they do. They store it and then they go back into your Google account and change things and lock people out. So It's also tricky because Google does allow emails coming from so many different people, like to teleperformance and things like that. You do get a lot of emails, and these look phenomenal. Like they look like a Google Ads email. So I've seen it. I almost fell for one, to be honest. Somebody on the team did, and I'm like, no, look at this URL here. We need to like be careful. But I would just say the number one thing is, if you think you get an invite to accept an invitation, log into your Google Ads account and go accept your invitation. Like you don't need to go to some random thing. But it is a problem, and I'm assuming Google will probably come up with some workarounds for this if it continues to happen, because that's the last thing that they want, right? Is for like almost like a flaw or a hole that people fall for, and then make their platform seemingly sus, I'd say.
Right. I mean, this has been going on for a while. Like you've been getting these emails for a while too, and you're savvy enough not to do it. And yeah, the guy had 2-factor on his account, but at the same time, there could be somebody else. It doesn't make a difference. You accept the invite, you give people access to your like, if you authorize access to another third-party account to your account, you don't need to have 2-factor on or not.
Right. It's your account. So if you give admin access to a different MCC, or you add somebody in that's an admin, it doesn't matter if you're 2-factor, because it's just your account, but they're now admin. So it's like really, really tricky. And if they just have your password, they can do whatever they want to you, and they can add whoever they want. So
it's not a pad. If they have password, it doesn't really matter that much, because they still need 2-factor. It's more about you authorizing them to be an administrator on your MCC account, and then they don't need your password or anything. But I'm not sure if that's the case, because Google really has not responded to any of these cases publicly, and this has been going on for I think a couple of years now at least, and it seems to be on the rise. It was interesting because a week ago, a Google Ads, I guess, forum person, like an official Googler, went ahead and posted in the Google forums just a best practice on how to keep your account secure, including information on phishing attempts, dormant accounts, logins from new and unrecognized accounts, and also new and Google accounts added to your MCC account specifically. So it looks like Google is definitely aware of this. Ginny Marvin was tagged. She said she DM'd Craig about this, but nothing is being publicly said about this. And this has been going, I have tons of like threads that I linked to over the year. Many that I didn't even link to. People are having this issue, and it could be very, very devastating. I assume Google will also like refund everything, but can you imagine? You could probably lose clients over this. And
100%. I mean, imagine this is Black Friday week.
Yeah.
So don't trust anything or anyone, especially people in robes. That's my advice.
Especially if they're handing out flowers at the airport.
What?
I lost. That's it for me.
Come on, like Jehovah's Witness, forget it.
Okay.
I don't know what you're talking about. Anyway, but you can link, or you don't have a choice. Google's automatically linking your YouTube accounts, right?
That that is true. Who knows? Like, any day now we'll find out all the issues that could come out of that. But like Hannah Kozova of PPC News Feed found this new help doc that Google has published that allows auto linking, and apparently you're gonna get an email. I don't know. No one has really mentioned them getting an email. It's just this help doc that was spotted, and Google is saying that you will be automatically linking. They will be automatically linking accounts when it signals show a high confidence connection. Admin and channel owners will receive a 30-day, an email 30 days before the link is created, giving them the option to opt out or to link early. And if you don't opt out during those 30-day windows, the link will automatically go ahead. And dual admin is required, so with access to both accounts. So the YouTube and the Google Ads account, that link will happen immediately. What it can do is that it can run ads based on users' interaction, use organic view counts and earned actions as performance signals, build data segments from channel engagements, and treat channel engagements like subscriptions as conversion actions. What it won't do, however, is channel owners don't gain control over the Google Ads account. Advertisers can't edit or delete channel videos, and turning off personalized ads on a channel disables audience data reporting. So turning off personalized ads on a channel will disable the audience data reporting, and VAC, like video action campaigns restrictions, still apply. So watch out for that in case you get any emails about that.
Morty, I'm very proud of you. You're still awake. Thank you.
Yeah, it was hard.
Wait, Barry, what are you trying to say? Was I boring?
No, just when you mentioned ads.
You're not boring. Your delivery is excellent. Greg is talking.
Morty, you got any more of them great jokes?
You got the reference, right?
If we had an award show, that should be an award for best reaction ever. It was
You should add
worse
that.
than crickets.
You
There
should
were
do that
not
to the
even.
marketing Anyway, talking about delivery, Google Business Profiles about a month ago was testing Google Post scheduling and Google Post multi-location posting. Now it's officially live as of last Friday. Google officially rolled it out to all Google Business Profile accounts. So if you want to schedule a post in the future, like, I don't know, let's say you're going to be away on a holiday watching whales for some reason. I don't know, maybe if it's you, and you're out there and you're not by phone or whatever, you can't go ahead and post something about your business. You can now schedule it to go live. And then after you go make a Google post and you own like 4,000 different businesses, you could easily multi-location post that across all your businesses, which is really, really great. More for, I guess, franchises and stuff like that with multi-locations. Okay. All right. That's what we got for today. I think we're back tomorrow with more. It's new. Everybody protect their ads accounts and free Willy. Bye.